Welcome to Anti-Malware Tools and Microsoft Firewall Configuration. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain the risks and considerations associated with using WinRE and the importance of using it responsibly, define Microsoft Defender antivirus and describe its role in providing real-time protection against software threats, and explain the importance of installing antivirus and anti-malware software. By using security tools and proper training and education, you can significantly enhance the security of your computer system and protect against potential threats. Stay proactive and regularly update your tools and knowledge to stay a step ahead of malicious actors. Microsoft for Windows 10 and 11 operating systems provide a built-in antivirus solution. It offers robust and continuous protection against various software threats, including viruses, malware, and spyware. Microsoft Defender Antivirus scans your files, emails, apps, and other data to detect and eliminate potential threats by tracking your system in real time. Overall, it prevents malicious software from infecting your system. To avoid emerging threats, Microsoft Defender Antivirus automatically updates itself with the latest virus definitions and security intelligence from Microsoft. It offers real-time protection and actively tracks your system for suspicious activity. It continuously scans files, downloads, and processes to identify and block potential threats before they can cause harm to your system. Microsoft Defender Antivirus is tightly integrated with the Windows Security Center, providing a centralized location to manage your security settings. From the Windows Security interface, you can access and configure various security features, including firewall settings, device security, and parental controls. The system uses cloud-based technologies to enhance its threat detection capabilities. It leverages Microsoft's cloud infrastructure to analyze and identify emerging threats in real time, making sure you benefit from the collective security intelligence of millions of other users. In addition to Microsoft Defender Antivirus, it is recommended to have other reputable antivirus and anti-malware software installed on your system. While Microsoft Defender Antivirus provides a solid level of protection, additional security software can add extra layers of defense against evolving threats. However, avoid installing multiple antivirus software simultaneously, as they can conflict with each other and degrade system performance. Both antivirus and anti-malware software offer real-time protection, tracking your system for any suspicious activities or attempts to infiltrate your system. They continuously scan files, programs, downloads, and network traffic to detect and block potential threats. Modern anti-malware software goes beyond traditional signature-based detection. It uses advanced techniques to identify malicious behavior patterns, such as unusual system changes, unauthorized access attempts, or suspicious network communications. You should keep your antivirus and anti-malware software current. Security software vendors constantly update their databases with new virus definitions and detection algorithms to stay ahead of the evolving threat landscape. Antivirus and anti-malware software enables you to schedule automated scans at specific times or intervals. Many antivirus and anti-malware software solutions offer browser extensions or email protection features. Remember that no security software is 100% foolproof, and practicing safe computing habits is essential. This includes being cautious when downloading files or opening email attachments, avoiding suspicious websites, and keeping your operating system and applications updated with the latest security patches. Software firewalls protect your computer by tracking and controlling network communication. The Windows Firewall, a built-in Microsoft Windows operating system feature, protects your system. Software firewalls track your computer's incoming and outgoing network connections. They analyze network traffic and compare it against predefined rules or user-configured settings to determine whether to allow or block the connection. The Windows Firewall allows you to change the notification settings of the Windows Firewall to receive alerts when the firewall blocks a new application or connection attempt. These notifications help you stay informed about potential unauthorized access attempts. Windows Firewall allows you to create exceptions to its default blocking rules. You can make exceptions based on specific applications, port numbers, or predefined exemptions for common services. While maintaining a secure environment, creating exceptions ensures necessary network connections are allowed. The Windows Firewall allows you to create custom rules, besides predefined exceptions. Custom rules offer maximum control over your firewall settings, allowing you to specify various options such as program paths, port ranges, and specific IP addresses. This level of customization enables you to fine-tune firewall behavior according to your specific requirements. Social engineering attacks aim to deceive individuals into revealing sensitive information, provide unauthorized access, or perform actions that compromise security. Common techniques include phishing emails, fake websites, phone calls, or text messages designed to seem legitimate and trustworthy. Phishing and vishing target human rather than system vulnerability. These attacks exploit psychological manipulation to deceive users and gain unauthorized access to systems or sensitive information. While antivirus, anti-malware, and firewall systems protect against technical threats, they may not prevent social engineering attacks. So, focusing on end-user education and awareness is crucial to combat these deceptive tactics. End-user education in the form of anti-phishing training should be an ongoing process. Anti-phishing training is an effective method to educate users about the features of phishing attacks and how to recognize and avoid them. The training should teach users how to identify common phishing tactics and suspicious emails or links. It should emphasize the importance of not sharing sensitive information or clicking on unknown or suspicious sources. You can regularly conduct simulated phishing tests to help assess users' awareness and susceptibility to social engineering attacks. These tests involve sending simulated phishing emails to employees and tracking their responses. The tests help to identify vulnerable individuals and areas that require training and reinforcement. Regularly update training programs to address emerging social engineering techniques. Organizations should provide resources such as posters, signs, message board postings, and intranet pages to reinforce security awareness and best practices. In this video, you learned that Microsoft Defender Antivirus is a built-in antivirus solution provided by Microsoft for Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. It is crucial to keep your antivirus and anti-malware software up to date. Software firewalls protect your computer by tracking and controlling network communication. The Windows Firewall helps safeguard your computer by controlling network access and filtering incoming and outgoing traffic. Social engineering attacks aim to deceive individuals into revealing sensitive information, providing unauthorized access, or performing actions that compromise security. End-user education in the form of anti-phishing training should be an ongoing process.